Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Gymshark. So let me take you to their website, which is gymshark.com. Don't worry about the initials you see before, just go to the gymshark.com and it will lend you to the website according to your location. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Gymshark, Gymshark is a fitness apparel and accessories brand known for its stylish and functional activewear designed for both men and women. The products range includes workout clothing such as leggings, shorts, sport bras, tank tops, hoodies, and t-shirts, as well as accessories like gym bags, hats, and water bottles. So if you are into fitness, you could come to the website and probably shop something for you. But that's not why we are here. We are here to earn money from Gymshark. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Gymshark and start promoting them to our audience. And when we bring sales to them through our audience, we would be entitled to get commission. Isn't that amazing? So how do you join the affiliate program of Gymshark? So for that, you have to come to the website called Rakuten Advertising. Now, why Rakuten Advertising and what is Rakuten Advertising? Rakuten Advertising is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. And affiliate marketing network means, they are third party between brands and affiliates. And in order for affiliates to join the affiliate program of brands, they have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, to become the affiliate network, to join the affiliate program of Gymshark, we have to join Rakuten Advertising as an affiliate. Now, in Rakuten Advertising, don't get confused. They call affiliates as publishers and brands as advertiser. So to apply to the affiliate program of Gymshark, you have to join Rakuten Advertising as a publisher. So if you don't have an account with them yet, you can click on Become a Publisher, which will take you to this page. You can fill up this information, the entire form, and you will have an affiliate account with yourself. Now, when you understand, it's not easy. There are many things to consider while creating an affiliate account. So don't you worry. I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Rakuten Advertising. You'll find the link in the video description. Just follow the instructions from the video and you would have an affiliate account, or rather a publisher account with Rakuten Advertising. Once you got yourself an account, if you already have an account with Rakuten Advertising, you can hover over login, click on affiliate publisher, and should you click here, we should take you to this page, this one, the login page. You can enter your email address and a password, click on next, which should take you to something called affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with multiple brands out there, not just Gymshark, but there are other brands as well. But we are here to only apply to the affiliate program of Gymshark, so we'll focus on that. So first, you have to find them. To find them, you can use this functionality, advertiser search. Just you have to take the name of the brand, in our case Gymshark, and put the name in here, or just start typing the name and press enter from your keyboard, which would then take you to this page. Either you do that, or you could also select from the drop down, totally up to you. So once you are here on this page, you would be able to see different affiliate programs for Gymshark. One is for Australia, another one is for Canada, European Union countries, for UK, and for US. So depending on your location, you might want to click on the hyperlink. So you see the name is basically an hyperlink. So when you would click on it, it will take you to their advertiser information page, they call it, where you would be able to see more information about them and their affiliate program. So depending on your location, you can click on these hyperlinks accordingly, the hyperlink for the affiliate program. Now, what if you're not from any of these countries, Australia, Canada, European Union countries, UK, or US? In that case, you could pick the one from where you're getting most of the traffic from. So in my case, I'm going to go with Gymshark US as well. But let's talk about the commission rate first. So if you look at the right hand side, you would be able to see commission rate as well. So they are giving 4% base commission. That doesn't matter, whatever program that you will look at, the base commission is 4%, except for the Australia and Canada one. Again, it varies depending on the location of yours, or the location of the affiliate program that you apply to. But the point is, the base commission for the US program is 4%, and 3% when customer is returning to them, and 0% when you use a coupon, or when your audience use a coupon coupon, which is part of this list. So this is how you can see about their commission rates, and you can see that, okay, you could get anywhere between 0 to 4%. So see, which affiliate program is more suited for you, and then click on their name, the title. When you do that, in my case, I clicked on Gymshark US, which took me to the advertiser information page of Gymshark US, and I would be able to see all the information about them. So once you're here on this page, you can read, you can understand more about them, the affiliate program. And if you, from the left-hand side, if you click on advertiser info, you would be able to see even the contact information and terms and condition. So it's very important that you click on view and read through the terms and condition. At any given point of time, if you want to reach out to the affiliate program team of Gymshark, you can also use this contact information and reach out to them. For each region, it is possible that this contact information would vary. So again, depending on the affiliate program location, you might want to use the email address accordingly from here. Okay, then if you look at the left-hand side, if you click on policies, you will be able to see the policies, like what they allow, what they don't allow in relation to paid search, coupons, gift cards, download the software, and multi-touch commissioning. So they're like all these things that you can explore and you can learn about them. So let's say you have read it enough. Now you want to apply to the affiliate program. How do you do that? So either from the previous page, you could click on this apply button, or from the advertiser information page, you can click on offers, and that will take you to the available offer section. So you can click on apply. So it doesn't matter if you click on apply from there or from here, you will see exactly the same thing. So when I click on apply, and when you do that, it will open a pop-up for you. You won't be able to see mine, but when you click on it, you will be able to see yours. You can just click on I have read and accept the terms and condition and show you have read it from the pop-up, and then tick mark it and click on OK. So when you do that, your application, you will get a kind of confirmation that thank you, your application have been submitted, and this apply button would go away. So what happened when you clicked on apply and when you accepted the TNC and just send the application, your application was received by Gymshark affiliate program team. So they will review whether you're a good fit for them or not. And if they like you, if they like your online presence, the information that you have given while creating an affiliate account with Rakuten Advertising, if they like you, they will give you the approval. So how would you know, or where can you see when you get the approval? So you would be able to see if you hover over programs, and if you go to my advertisers, which should take you to this page, to the pending section. You would be able to see your applications which could be pending for them. And once you get the approval, you would be able to find the advertiser or the brand Gymshark within the approved section. So let's say you waited enough. For how long can you wait? See, it depends on the volume of the applications that brand may be getting. In our case, Gymshark. So you may give them around 2 weeks of time. And within that time, you can expect to get a confirmation from them, in a few days to 2 weeks of time. Let's say you get the approval. For that, you'll be notified by an email, and you would be able to find them in here within approved section. Currently, for me, it should be in the pending section. So once you get the approval, then what to do? Then you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take the links from their website, any link from their website, and start promoting them. No, that's not how it works. So you have to use tracking links, which are meant for you only. So after getting the approval to get the tracking links, you have to come to the advertiser information page once again. The same way you could follow, just search advertiser search functionality, find the brand, click on the name, and it should take you to this advertiser information page. Click on the left hand side, click on links, and you would be able to see all the available links in here. Then you can click on the respective hyperlink from the link. So if you click on 18 for Gymshark US, you would be able to see all the banner links like this. And if you scroll to the right, you would be able to see get link code button in here only if you have gotten the approval. So this is how you can take your tracking link and you can start promoting them. That's one way. Second way is you can hover over links. You can go to deep linking and you can create your own tracking link. You don't have to go through with this route of advertiser information page and link and clicking on the hyperlink. You can just run any link into your tracking link using this functionality, links and the deep linking. So let's say you got the link, but how exactly can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one of the ways is website. Let's say doesn't matter what kind of website you got. You could probably put an advertisements on the right or the left hand side of any web page of your website and start promoting Gymshark, which could be effective, but not that much. The other way is a blog. So you might have a blog where you can add a blog post about Gymshark, probably talk good things about them. And at the end, just mention, here's a link to their website. If you are interested to buy something from Gymshark, click on it. And within that specific button, you can just embed your tracking link. So if someone would click on that link and makes a purchase, you'll get the commission. So that's how you can do it on blog. Now, what is more effective is the fitness website. Because see, if you have a fitness website, Gymshark is a kind of fitness kind of brand, isn't it? So if you have a fitness website, that means your audience are more related. So you could just promote Gymshark on your fitness website. Probably just create, you could put advertisements of theirs on multiple web pages of your fitness website, or you could probably just create an entire new section for them. It's totally up to you. So these are the ways, but not just limited to it. It's totally up to you if you want to go with these options or any other options you have in mind. Now, how about social media? Can you promote Gymshark on social media pages like Facebook page, YouTube, or any other social media like Instagram or Pinterest? Well, they haven't mentioned it anywhere, nor in the terms and condition as well. So when you apply to them, when you get the approval, you might want to check the terms and condition once again. And if they don't have any mention of social media restrictions over there, then you might want to reach out to them on their email address and confirm if they're okay if you end up promoting them on social media. When they say yes, that's when you can start promoting them. It's very important. See, since they have no restriction mentioned in terms and condition, but just to keep yourself safe, it's better to reach out to them and get the final approval. But you can first wait for them to give you the approval, and then you can reach out to them for this. So let's say you started promoting them. Where would you see your performance? The click, sales, and everything. So again, for that, you can come to Racket Advertising. You can go to reporting, and you can run the reports to see the clicks and sales and everything that's been coming from your efforts to Gymshark. Then how about the payment of it? So Gymshark will make the payment to Racket Advertising, and Racket Advertising will issue the payment to you. So for that, ensure you have updated your payment settings on Racket Advertising. For that, you can hover over my account. You can go to account info, click on it, which should take you to this page. You can scroll down till the bottom. You can click on edit within this payment settings section, and then it will take you to this page. And over here, you would be able to select either direct deposit, PayPal, or check. So depending on what you select, you will see more information that you would be able to add your related payment settings. So this is how you can update your payment method. Once you have updated your payment method, then you can expect to get the payment of your commission from Racket Advertising. Now, there's one more thing that they follow, and it's called minimum payment threshold value. So they won't be able to issue the payment to you unless your account has accumulated $50. That's the minimum. So once your account has $50 existing, then they will issue the payment to you, and they follow weekly payment cycle. And so that's something to keep in mind. And this is how you find the affiliate program of Gymshark. You apply to them, get the approval, start promoting them, and start getting commission from them. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in getting affiliated with Gymshark. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.